Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Today I'm going to be doing the Dutch pour on an 8x8 round stretch canvas. My base coat is a titanium white, which I'm laying down now. And once I have my paint down, I'm going to blow it out a nice thin coating across the entire canvas. Once I have my coating on the canvas, I will begin to add my colors. Today, my colors that I'm using are a Winsor blue, followed by a Payne's gray, a little bit of neon pink, which at the end of the piece, you really don't even see the pink. It gets swallowed up by all the blue, which is fine. We're going to end it with my metallic, which is iridescent gold. Once I have my colors laid out, I'm going to add a little bit of the base coat around the colors. That helps my colors blow over the surface. I'm going to blow a little bit of the base coat over the colors before I blow it out. Today I'm going to be using this mini blower that I got from Amazon. Everyone always asks me where I got it from. I got it from Amazon, and the attachment I purchased from Etsy. Again, my name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. Hope you enjoyed this video. Phoenix Flow Art, creating is what I do.